Get ready for an exciting IPL 2026 match as Kolkata Knight Riders takes on Lucknow Super Giants at the iconic Eden Gardens Stadium in Kolkata, starting at 7:30 p.m. IST. KKR is struggling to find form with just 1 point from 3 matches, while LSG is riding high after a convincing win over Sunrisers Hyderabad. The pitch is expected to favor batsmen, especially in the second innings, with an average score of 190 plus. Some key players to watch include Finn Allen, who could be crucial for KKR's power play, and Mohammad Sami, who has been in excellent form and could trouble KKR's top order. LSG's Rishabh Pant has also looked sharp in his new role. LSG is favored to win given their balanced squad and strong bowling attack. However, KKR's home advantage and desperation to turn their season around could make for an intense contest. Let's watch this thrilling match unfold.